Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is 3 infra projects unveiled in Kerala. Recently, PM Modi inaugurated 3 major infrastructure projects worth more than Rs 4,000 crore in Kochi, Kerala. The projects inaugurated include New Dry Dock, that is NDD, at Cochin Shipyard Limited, International Ship Repair Facility, that is ISRF of CSL, and LPG Import Terminal of Indian Oil Corporation Limited, that is IOCL. Let's discuss these 3 projects one by one. New Dry Dock. With a length of 310 meters, NDD is built at par with international standards at an investment of Rs 1,799 crores. It is capable of handling aircraft carriers twice the displacement of INS Vikrant or other larger ships like Suezmax, Capesize, LNG ships, and jackup rigs. It is enabled with critical capabilities for naval and other commercial ships in the event of an emergency. It has incorporated the latest technology and innovations to ensure efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability. International Ship Repair Facility. It is India's first fully developed pure ship repair ecosystem, which will add 25% capacity of ship repair industry in the country. Built at an investment of Rs 970 crores, it will provide rapid turnaround for India's naval and coast guard ships during emergency as planned refits. ISRF will add capacity for nearly 80 vessels or more per year. It is set up in 42 acres of leased premises of the Cochin Port Authority at Willingdon Island, Kochi. LPG Import Terminal for IOCL. With a storage capacity of 15,400 MT, the terminal aims at achieving a turnover of 1.2 MMTPA. It will ensure LPG distribution through road and pipeline transfers, which will directly benefit bottling plants in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. It will enhance India's energy infrastructure by ensuring a steady supply of LPG, benefiting millions of households and businesses in and around the region. As we move on to the practice question, we are excited to share with you that Team Drishti is offering 20 to 50% discounts on all its online pen drive and test series courses this Republic Day. To avail of this discount, click on the link given in the description below. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, what is the storage capacity of newly inaugurated LPG import terminal at Puthuvipeen, Kochi? Your options are 5,400 MT, 10,400 MT, 15,400 MT or 20,400 MT. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.